Good morning, students. We have already done chapter 1 and 2 of Reader book. Today we will read chapter 3, The Tiger's Whisker. Listen to me carefully and try to understand the chapter. Today we will read page 22 and 23. The remaining part will be covered in the next lecture. So be attentive because I'll ask you some questions just the way I used to do before. Let us start. The tiger's whisker. Whisker hair means long hair grow near the mouth of some animals as the cats, rats and tigers. Suppose you have difficulty in solving a problem, what will you do? Will you give up or continue trying till you succeed? In my point of view, I'll try again and again till I succeed. William Hickson, a well-known poet, says, "'Tis a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again." It means this is a lesson you should listen to. Heed means listen to. Keep trying even if you don't succeed in the beginning. Don't give up. Just try again and again. The story is about a young woman, Yun Ok, who is in distress, and the cause of her distress is her husband's behavior. Now we will see how she tries to solve the problem. The story tells us how the lady wins the love and confidence of her husband. Let us read the story to know how she succeeds. A young woman by the name of Yun Ok came one day to the cottage. Cottage here means hut, or you can say a small house of old fashioned. A mountain hermit. Hermit here means a person who lives alone for religious reason. "Oh, Holy Father," she said, "I am in deep distress." Distress here means she is upset. "If you don't help me, I am truly lost." Means I don't know what to do. "Well, what is your problem?" said the hermit. Means hermit asked her about the problem. "Oh, Father," said the woman, "for the past 3 years my husband has been away fighting in the wars. Now that he has returned, he hardly ever speaks to me. He used to love me dearly, but now he is a changed man. If I speak to him, he doesn't seem to hear. If ever he talks to me, he speaks very roughly. If the food is not to his liking, he pushes it away and leaves the room angrily." Means the behavior of her husband is completely changed now. So she was in distress. "Dear, it doesn't happen sometimes," said the hermit. "When young men come back home after the wars, their hearts are full of bitterness." Means after war, his heart was full of bitterness. "Please, Father, give me some potion." Means give me some medicine or a liquid. Potion here means a liquid with magic powers, or you can say medicine, that will make my husband loving and gentle as he used to be. "A potion for your husband," said the hermit. "Well, come back after 3 days and I'll tell you what I shall need for such a potion. Means hermit told her to come after 3 days, and after that he will tell her what to do. 3 days later, Yun Oki came back to the hermit. I have thought over your problem, said the hermit. To make the potion you want, I'll need the whisker of a living tiger. Means the hair of tiger's beard. Bring me a living tiger's whisker, and I'll make the potion you want. The whisker of a living tiger, said the woman, in surprise. How could it be possible for me to get such a thing? Means it was very difficult to get the whisker of a living tiger for her. So she was surprised to know that. You will find it if you think the potion is really important. Means the hermit said, if you want the potion, if you want the medicine, you should bring that whisker, said the hermit. Then he stood up and walked out of his cottage. Yun Oki went back home. She thought a great deal about how she could get a tiger's whisker. Means she was worried how to get a tiger's whisker. Then one night, when her husband was asleep, she quietly crept from her house. Crept here means moved slowly, with a bowl of meat in her hand. Now it is enough for today. The rest of the part we will do tomorrow. So I'll ask you some questions. Why was Yun Oki in deep distress? The answer is she was in deep distress because her husband hardly spoke to her. The next question is, why did she go to Mountain Hermit? She went to Mountain Hermit because she wanted him to cure her husband. The next question is, what did hermit need to make a potion? The answer is the whisker of a living tiger. Hope you got the chapter. Now read the chapter carefully. We will read the remaining part in next lecture. It is over for today. Have a nice day.